안녕하세요. 미국 교과서 읽는 리딩 베이직 2 교포쌤과 함께하는 코넬노트테이킹 수업을 가지고 왔습니다. Hi everyone. 코넬노트테이킹 수업은 주로 집에서 혼자 예습 숙제로 진행됩니다. 친구들이 읽으면서 중요 포인트, 하이라이트하고 또는 모르는 단어는 밑줄 치면서 같이 읽어볼게요. So are you ready guys? So what is the title? First off, it says what is a globe? Wonderful, very good. So let's try to read together. Look around your classroom. You can probably see a globe in it. What is a globe? A globe is a model of the Earth that shows what the Earth looks like. A globe is kind of a map. It shows all of the land and water on the Earth. You can turn a globe and see all 7 continents and 5 oceans. But that is not all that a globe shows. Look carefully at the globe. There are many lines on it. Some are horizontal lines, while others are vertical lines. These lines on the grid are 2 sets of imaginary lines that circle the Earth. The horizontal lines that circle from east to west are lines of latitude. The vertical lines that circle from north to south are lines of longitude. The lines of longitude pass through the North Pole and the South Pole. When we know the latitude and longitude of a place, we know its exact location on the globe. 이제 지문을 한번 읽었으니 이 지문은 어떤 내용이구나 알 수 있죠. 코넬 노트 테이킹은 왼쪽에 주요 아이디어 또는 질문으로 정리가 되고 오른쪽 편에는 주요 아이디어와 질문에 해당되는 디테일로 정리가 돼요. 서머리는 저희가 주요 아이디어를 잘 잡아낼 때쯤 같이 해보도록 할게요. So, shall we try and take a look at our first paragraph? 첫 번째 문단의 중요 포인트가 뭘까요? classroom, 반을 둘러보면 보이는 게 있대요. 아마 globe, 지구본이 있을 거래요. Then what is a globe? It says a globe is a model of the earth that shows what the earth looks like. 그럼 여기에서 중요 포인트가 뭐예요? globe는 it's a model of the earth. 이 model of the earth는 지구가 어떻게 생겼는지를 보여주는 거래요. 자, 그럼 한번 적어볼까요? 저희 title is What is a globe? 그러면 저희의 제목은 윗칸에 적어주고요. 메인 아이디어, 저희 핵심 아이디어는 뭐였죠? globe. Okay? And globe에 관련된 디테일은 뭐였어요? It is a model of Earth. And it shows what the Earth looks like. 여기에서 중요한 거는 full sentence로 적지 않는 거예요. 스펠링 틀려도 괜찮아요. short form 써도 괜찮아요. 왜냐? 우리는 이 문단을 읽고 핵심 아이디어를 파악하는 게 중점이에요. 자, 이제 두 번째 문단을 볼 텐데 It says a globe is a kind of map. It shows all the land and water on the earth. You can turn a globe and see all the 7 continents and 5 oceans. But that is not all that a globe shows. 그럼 여기에서 중요한 건 뭘까요? A globe는 kind of map. 이건 벌써 알고 있는 내용이죠. 그죠? 그러면 we're gonna move on. It shows all of the land and water on the earth. Okay, that makes sense. You can turn a globe and see all the 7 continents and 5 oceans. 5 oceans? 는 알 것 같은데, what is the 7th continent? Does anyone here know? Continent means 대륙. How many continents are there in our world? There are 7. 자, 이 사진을 보면 지도예요. 그러면 여기에서 North America 대륙들이 각각 있어요. We have South America, Africa, Europe, Middle East. Middle East에 가끔 어떤 나라가 있는지 모르는 친구들이 있어요. 여기에 Egypt, Iran, Iraq 이런 나라들이 있어요. Asia, look at that. Australia and Oceania. And what are the 5 oceans? We have the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean은 태평양이죠. We have the Atlantic Ocean. 대서양. What is the Indian Ocean? 이름 그대로 인도양. We have the Southern Ocean and the North Atlantic Ocean. 그래서 북극해와 남극해도 있어요. 그럼 다시 여기로 돌아와서 두 번째 문단의 가장 중요한 내용이 뭘까요? Good. We can see all the 7 continents and 5 oceans. Then what is our main idea? It's kind of a map. Wonderful. So let's try to write it down. We have a map. We have a kind of a map. And it shows all of the land and water. Shows land and water. And how many continents did we have? 7 continents and 5 oceans. 이제 세 번째 문단을 시작해 볼게요. 새로운 아이디어가 보일 때 저희는 하이라이트를 할 거예요. So if you take a look at the third paragraph, let's see. Look carefully at the globe. There are many lines on it. 글로브, 지구본을 주의 깊게 살펴보면은 line, 줄이 그어져 있대요. Some are horizontal, while others are vertical lines. These lines on the grid are 2 sets of imaginary lines that circle the earth. So, 그럼 여기서 살펴보면 horizontal and vertical. 이 horizontal and vertical lines form a grid. grid는 격자 무늬를 뜻해요. 그래서 지구에 보이지 않는 선을 꾸며주는 게 we call them horizontal lines and vertical lines. But we gotta continue on because our paragraph hasn't finished yet. So if you take a look on the 4th paragraph, it says, the horizontal lines that circle from east to west. 동쪽에서 서쪽으로 그어지는 선들은 lines of latitude. lines of latitude라고 한대요. The vertical lines that circle from north to south are lines of longitude. 북쪽에서 남쪽으로 그어지는 선들은 lines of longitude라고 불리운데요. The lines of longitude pass through the North Pole and the South Pole. Where have you heard of the North Pole? We know that Santa's on the North Pole, right? And the penguins on the South Pole. So you could think of the lines of longitude as a line that goes from Santa, North Pole, to the South Pole. When we know the latitude and longitude of a place, we know its exact location on the globe. longitude와 latitude를 정확히 알면 지구의 어디에 있든 우리의 정확한 위치를 알 수 있대요. 그럼 중요한 내용을 정리해보면 the globe is made up of lines. 그리고 이 lines는 horizontal, 수평의 versus vertical, 수직의 line으로 이루어져 있대요. So where were the horizontal lines going from where to where? From east to west. 동쪽에서 서쪽으로. Vertical from north to south. 북쪽에서 남쪽으로. So what do we call the lines of the horizontal? Lines of the latitude. And what about the vertical? Lines of longitude. 이거 외우는 거 쉬운 방법 있어요. Everybody knows the word long, right? So whenever you think the word long, longitude, think about from up and down, the vertical side. 이거 하나만 외우면은 나머지는 latitude였나 보다 라고 외우면 돼요. So that's actually it for today. So we did our first Cornell style note-taking. So main ideas here. 글로브에 대해서 배웠는데 이 지구본은 we have a map and lines. 이 지도에서는 땅과 물, land and water, 7 continents with the 5 oceans. So I'd like you to please try to remember, what were the 7 continents that we learned? And the lines, what were the 2 types of lines? Horizontal and vertical, right? Lines of latitude and lines of longitude. So if you have the book, I would love you to please try the questions for homework. We will be taking up the questions next time and we will try the second reading. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day.